Hi and welcome to this video where we will talk about the unboxing and first look of the new CityPack Pro Ultra from the brand Aer. But first of all, if you don't know where we are on the Tech and Bags channel where we review tech and bags. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe in the end. Thank you very much. Let's get down to it. We have a pretty nice bag because I bought this bag in the London store. So you have a nice tote bag with the branding Aer. I really like it. But let's go inside. What do we have? We have the bag itself right here in a very nice packaging. And it's written design in SF, which means design in San Francisco, made with Ultra TM, which is the material used for this bag. Okay, let's open it. We'll see it right here. Perfect. Now let's take the bag out, and here we go. This is the bag, the CityPack Pro Ultra in the Ultra material. So let's go to the labeling. I know some of you like this. The labeling, what do we have here? We have a special edition Aer ULTRA Collection. Nice. On the other side of this, we have the description of the special edition Ultra Collection by Challenge Sailcloth. Next up, we have the special badge for the Ultra by Challenge Sailcloth. You can read if you want. And the last one is the standard Aer branding. And on the back, you can see all the specs for the backpack CityPack Pro Ultra. Now we will talk about the dimensions. Let's go for the dimensions. So they advertise 46 centimeters in length, which is 18 inch, and you will see on screen. Okay, so about 46 centimeters, 46 is here. It's about the case. It's a little hard to do it, but I think they may take the handle on the 46 centimeters. Nice. Then talking about the width, they say 30.5 centimeters, which is about 12 inches. As you can see, it's pretty much it. And then the last one is the depth. This depends on how you pack the bag, but they advertise 19 centimeters, which is 7.5 inch. And you can see it's something like this. It is, but you have to take into account this. And in the end, maybe I will show how I pack it and we will see if it's deeper or not. And then the last measurement is the weight. It's advertised as 2.4 pounds, which is 1.08 kilograms. And trust me, it's pretty light for a backpack like this. And compared to the other ones, a CityPack Pro with a Cordura or with a X-Pack, it's even lighter. But I don't think the material is the only reason for it to be lighter, because you also have some removal like this one. It's not cloth, it's lighter, just fabric. Now we will talk a little bit about the material used. So we have a 400X Ultra material. As you can see, you have cross ply right here. It's a very technical material. What you can see is it's not really black, it's kind of gray with like shining and some wrinkles also. But the wrinkles are also due to the form of the pocket, as you have some ply like this, and so it makes some wrinkles. Either you like it or you hate it, but in the end you will see that you will love it. I just love it. It's awesome. It gives a very nice touch and a very different appearance to this bag, a very technical one. And so the advantages of this material is that it's lighter than X-Pack. It should be, at least. It's totally weatherproof, like waterproof on this side. Then we can see the new pull tabs. On the other Aer backpacks, you have older pull tabs, which are not like this, not Ipalon, they were plastic. Here it's Ipalon, and it's written Aer Designs San Francisco since 2014. I really like this new zipper. You can put your finger inside and just open it like this. Pretty nice. You have AquaGuard zippers all around. Just on this pocket there is a standard zipper, but you have the clothing that goes around it. So taking you on a tour of the bag, we will begin on the left side. You have a standard D-ring, which is plastic right here. Here you have a water bottle pocket, kind of standard, not like on the travel pack, which is a zippered bottle pocket, maybe more on the middle of the backpack. Here it's standard, it goes here, and it can expand like this. Pretty nice, I really like it. I prefer it than the travel packs. On the other side you have nothing here, and here you have a special pocket. Like I said, the only pocket without AquaGuard zippers, but it's a lot of clothing here. If you open it, you will see the famous green interior, lime green interior, and you have a key leash to put your keys, or like I do, my card to go to work. And it's pretty accessible when you have it on you. You can just do like this on you, and you access the pocket, you take what you need, and then you close the pocket. Perfect. On the front, you have the standard pocket that you can find in a lot of Aer backpacks, like this. So it's a pretty flat pocket, but compared to the travel packs, since the top pocket that we will see is only around here, you have plenty of space here to put stuff. Close this and you can put your finger on the sides like this. And then the top admin pocket, let's open it. You don't have a green, you have a gray like this, the standard gray of Aer. As you can see, it's pretty, like, you have plenty of space. You have here a mesh where you can see what's inside. Here you can put stuff also like this. If I open it, you can see there is a zipper pocket with the green interior, and here you can see a little what's around here. So that's for this pocket. Then we go on the main compartment, so you can pull on things like this if you need to. You can open it. On the other side, now it's open, and as you can see, this is the main compartment. What you can see here is that there is plenty of space. Here you have this thing, because we will see the top pocket that we already see, I think. Here you have a special cache for the AirTag, or equivalent in Android. Here you have this thing here to put some stuff, not dangling around. Here you have the fabric for the pocket that we saw on the side for the keys, and on the other side you have nothing. Then it's open all the way like this, which I really like, and that's why you can use this backpack as a small travel backpack. Weekend, or if you're a one-bag traveler, like very small and very organized, you can use it. It's perfect. Then on the top you have the same mesh as we saw already, with the green interior. Here we have another pocket, the same but with no mesh. It goes around here. And that's it for the main compartment. Now going onto this pocket that we saw in the main compartment. And the last one is the laptop compartment that you can see here. If I open it, like, the YKK zippers are so smooth, it's just incredible. You have here the standard gray interior, where you have some space here. You have a standard pocket, the same as we saw in the main compartment with this thing. And then here you have the pocket for your laptop with protection, padding here, and padding on the back. So your laptop is very well protected. And there is a false bottom. So if I put my hand inside, my hand is actually inside, it goes to around here. So not to the bottom of the bag, which is very nice to protect your laptop. And then if we see like this, you have the branding Aer design in San Francisco and the Ultra material right here by Challenge Sailcloth. Now the thing that we didn't discuss is the harness system. As you can see, you have the Ultra material here. It's pretty beefy. I really like it. Here also it's quite beefy. It's very comfortable. You have here a luggage pass-through in this direction. Some don't like it because they prefer horizontal. But for me, I really like this because I can take it like this and carry it around, and I think it's better than on the other side for this usage. Here you have some things like this where you can put maybe a GoPro. It's a little high on you when you wear it, so only for GoPros maybe or something. Here you have the branding Aer. Here you have the same D-ring that we already saw, and here you have the rail for the sternum strap. The sternum strap is magnetic. First maybe it will be a little hard to get used to it, but after you get pretty used to it and you will prefer it, don't worry, than a standard sternum strap. I really like the magnet. It's so satisfying and it's very comfortable. Here you have plastic hardware. It's not metal, but it's light and it works pretty well. What I didn't say is that you have this to manage the dangling cables, if I may say. The same here. So cable management is pretty good. It works pretty well. On the bottom, I didn't speak about the bottom, nothing special. It's the same material, Ultra 400X all around, and you have all these two things that helps you open the zippers. I love this backpack. I think it's just awesome. So now I packed it, or I pack it on an everyday basis. So I just got it, so maybe it will evolve in the time. It's maybe not finished, my everyday carry, but let's check it out. And first of all, we will see the depth, because it was advertised 19 centimeters. Now if you take a look, maybe like this, it's still about 19 centimeters. It depends if you take this into account. But I can definitely tell you that if you pack it with a lot of things, with a lot of clothes, it can go a little bigger than 19 centimeters in depth. Okay, so first of all, we will begin with the pocket that is right here, okay? We take it, and I have a spare t-shirt, and I have some tissues on this quick access pocket. Now on the admin pocket on the top, as you can see, there is nothing yet here, but here you have a night eyes, you have a tissue for the glasses, you have some wired headphones from AKG, you have a joby stand for putting the phone on, and you have some other things. And that's about it for the admin pocket. Now let's go to the main compartment. So let's open it. Like this. If we open the main compartment, what do we have? We have headphones to speak on Zoom calls. We have then a packable umbrella that I can link in the video description down below. And then we have the alpaca terrestrial pouch that I will also link in the video down below, that you can use also as a sling. I have a review on it, and I have a mouse, and I have some cables and some things, and I have a packable cup like this one that I will put in the video description also. Now I have nothing on this pocket for now, but like I said, I will use it for weekends and business trip, and I will put some clothes on the different pockets that you can see are empty right now. Here I have a phone, and here on the laptop compartment I have my work laptop, I have a film note right here, and I have a pen. And on the bottom, my Anker 65 watt charger. I have no bottle right now on this pocket, and here I have my card to go to work, but I will not show you right now. That's it for this quick introduction and unboxing of the Aer CityPack Pro Ultra. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will put a lot more content on it, how it fits on me and how it holds up during time, and how I will use it for business travel and for weekend travel. So definitely put a like and subscribe. See you, bye bye.